Welcome back, health enthusiasts. Understanding which foods can aid in weight management is crucial for anyone looking to maintain a healthy lifestyle. By identifying foods that are nearly impossible to overeat and unlikely to contribute to fat gain, individuals can make more informed dietary choices. Incorporating filling, low-calorie foods into your meals not only helps in controlling hunger, but also allows for greater satisfaction without the worry of excess calorie intake. These foods often provide essential nutrients while keeping you feeling full, making it easier to stick to your dietary goals. In this discussion, we will explore specific foods that can assist in fat loss, highlighting their unique properties that make them beneficial for weight management. By the end of this segment, viewers will have a clearer understanding of how to integrate these foods into their daily routines, empowering them to make healthier choices without feeling deprived. This knowledge can transform your approach to eating, allowing you to enjoy your meals while still working towards your fitness objectives. So get ready to discover the foods that can help you stay on track with your weight management journey, ensuring that you can enjoy your meals without the fear of overindulgence. Let's dive into the world of satisfying low-calorie options that can support your health goals effectively. High-protein foods such as eggs play a significant role in reducing hunger and enhancing metabolism, making them essential for effective weight management. Protein-rich foods are known to help control appetite by promoting feelings of fullness, which can lead to reduced overall calorie intake. When you consume protein, it triggers the release of hormones that signal satiety, helping to curb cravings and prevent overeating. Additionally, the thermic effect of food, TEF, is an important factor in calorie burning. It refers to the energy required for digestion, absorption, and metabolism of nutrients. Protein has a higher thermic effect compared to fats and carbohydrates, meaning that your body burns more calories processing protein-rich foods. This can contribute to a higher overall metabolic rate, aiding in weight loss efforts. Eggs, in particular, are a versatile protein source that can be easily incorporated into various meals. They are not only rich in high-quality protein, but also contain essential nutrients like vitamins and minerals. Their versatility allows for numerous preparation methods from boiling to scrambling, making them a convenient option for any meal of the day. By including eggs and other high-protein foods in your diet, you can effectively manage hunger, boost your metabolism, and support your weight loss goals. When comparing wild-caught and farm-raised salmon, there are notable differences in fat content and health benefits that can influence dietary choices. Wild-caught salmon is generally leaner than its farm-raised counterpart, containing less overall fat while still being rich in essential nutrients. One of the key nutritional advantages of wild-caught salmon is its higher concentration of omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for maintaining heart health, reducing inflammation, and supporting brain function. These healthy fats are often lower in farm-raised salmon due to their diet, which may include grains rather than the natural diet of smaller fish that wild salmon consume. Omega-3 fatty acids are vital in a healthy diet as they contribute to cardiovascular health and can help lower the risk of chronic diseases. Additionally, salmon is a filling, low-calorie option that can be easily incorporated into various meals. Its high protein content promotes satiety, helping to control appetite and prevent overeating. This makes salmon an excellent choice for those looking to maintain or lose weight while still enjoying flavorful and nutritious meals. By choosing wild-caught salmon, individuals can benefit from its superior nutritional profile, including higher omega-3 levels, while enjoying a delicious and satisfying food that supports overall health and wellness. Celery and spinach are excellent examples of low-calorie, nutrient-dense vegetables that can significantly promote feelings of fullness while supporting overall health. Celery, in particular, boasts a high water content, comprising about 95% of its weight. This high water content not only helps to hydrate the body, but also contributes to its low-calorie count, making it an ideal snack for those looking to manage their weight. By consuming celery, you can enjoy a satisfying crunch without adding excessive calories to your diet. On the other hand, spinach is packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, vitamin K, and iron, making it a powerhouse of nutrition. Its rich nutrient profile supports various bodily functions, from maintaining healthy vision to promoting strong bones and boosting energy levels. To incorporate these versatile vegetables into your meals, consider adding spinach to smoothies for a nutrient boost, tossing it into salads, or sautéing it as a side dish. Celery can be enjoyed raw with dips, added to soups for extra texture, or used as a crunchy topping for salads. By including celery and spinach in your diet, you can enhance your meals with low-calorie options that not only promote fullness but also provide a wealth of nutrients essential for maintaining good health. Salsa and hot sauce are fantastic low-calorie options that can elevate the flavor of your meals without adding significant calories. Salsa, typically made from fresh tomatoes, onions, peppers, and herbs, is not only delicious but also low in calories, making it an ideal condiment for those looking to enhance their dishes. Its compatibility with a variety of vegetables allows for endless combinations, whether you're using it as a topping for grilled veggies, a dip for raw vegetables, or a flavorful addition to salads. This versatility makes salsa a go-to choice for adding taste without the guilt. On the other hand, hot sauce, which contains capsaicin, the compound responsible for its heat, offers metabolism-boosting properties. Capsaicin has been shown to increase calorie burning and may even help reduce appetite, making it a smart addition to meals for those aiming to manage their weight. By incorporating these flavorful dips into your diet, you can make your meals more enjoyable and satisfying. Whether you drizzle hot sauce over eggs, mix salsa into your tacos, or use either as a zesty dressing for salads, these low-calorie options can transform ordinary dishes into exciting culinary experiences. Embrace salsa and hot sauce to enhance your meals while keeping your calorie intake in check. Soup can serve as a filling, low-calorie starter for meals, making it an excellent choice for those looking to manage their weight while enjoying flavorful dishes. One of the key factors contributing to the satiety provided by soup is its high water content. Most soups are primarily composed of broth and vegetables, which not only adds volume but also helps to fill you up without significantly increasing calorie intake. This can lead to a greater sense of fullness, making it easier to control portion sizes for the main course. Additionally, the importance of using healthy ingredients in soups cannot be overstated. By incorporating nutrient-dense vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, you can create a nourishing dish that supports overall health while keeping calories in check. Starting meals with a bowl of soup can effectively reduce overall calorie intake, as it helps to curb hunger before the main course is served. This strategy allows you to enjoy a satisfying meal without the temptation to overindulge. Whether it's a hearty vegetable soup, a light broth, or a creamy puree made with wholesome ingredients, soup can be a delicious and nutritious way to kick off your dining experience. Embrace soup as a starter to enhance satiety and promote healthier eating habits. Bell peppers are incredibly versatile and can play a significant role in fat loss diets thanks to their impressive nutritional profile. Rich in vitamins A and C, bell peppers provide essential antioxidants that support immune function and skin health. Additionally, they are a great source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes feelings of fullness, making it easier to manage calorie intake. Their vibrant colors and crisp texture add not only visual appeal, but also a satisfying crunch to meals. One delicious way to enjoy bell peppers is by making stuffed peppers. You can fill them with a mixture of lean proteins, whole grains, and vegetables for a hearty and filling meal that aligns with your weight loss goals. Simply bake them until tender for a nutritious dish that is both satisfying and low in calories. Beyond stuffed peppers, there are countless ways to incorporate these colorful vegetables into your diet. Add them to salads for a refreshing crunch. Toss them into stir-fries for added flavor, or blend them into smoothies for a nutrient boost. By embracing the versatility of bell peppers, you can enhance your meals while supporting your fat loss journey. So get creative and explore the many delicious ways to include bell peppers in your daily cooking. Popcorn has great potential as a low-calorie snack, especially when prepared correctly. As a whole grain, popcorn is naturally high in fiber, which can help promote feelings of fullness and support digestive health. A serving of air-popped popcorn can provide a satisfying crunch without a hefty calorie count, making it an excellent choice for those looking to manage their weight. However, it's essential to be mindful of how popcorn is prepared. Many commercial popcorn options and homemade versions often come loaded with added fats like butter, which can significantly increase the calorie content and negate its health benefits. To keep popcorn a healthy snack, opt for air popping or using minimal amounts of healthy oils and consider seasoning it with herbs or spices for flavor without the extra calories. While popcorn can be a nutritious and enjoyable snack, moderation is key to preventing excessive calorie intake. It's easy to lose track of portion sizes, especially when snacking mindlessly in front of the TV. To enjoy popcorn responsibly, measure out a single serving rather than eating directly from the bag. By being conscious of preparation methods and portion sizes, you can savor popcorn as a delicious, low-calorie snack while still supporting your health and wellness goals. Zucchini and cauliflower are excellent substitutes for high-carb foods, offering delicious and nutritious alternatives that can help you maintain a balanced diet. Zucchini, when spiralized, transforms into a fantastic low-calorie pasta option, often referred to as zoodles. This versatile vegetable absorbs flavors well, making it a perfect base for a variety of sauces, from marinara to pesto. By using zucchini in place of traditional pasta, you can significantly reduce calorie intake while still enjoying a satisfying meal. On the other hand, cauliflower is incredibly versatile and can be used in numerous recipes. It can be riced, mashed, or even blended to create creamy soups, making it a fantastic substitute for grains and starchy vegetables. Cauliflower can also be roasted, steamed, or used as a pizza crust, allowing for endless culinary creativity. Both zucchini and cauliflower are low in calories and high in nutrients, making them ideal choices for those looking to cut back on carbohydrates without sacrificing flavor. I encourage viewers to experiment with these alternatives in their cooking. Try swapping out pasta for zoodles in your favorite dishes or using cauliflower in place of rice or potatoes. By incorporating these vegetables into your meals, you can enjoy a variety of flavors and textures while supporting your health goals. Kale and mushrooms are two powerhouse foods that can significantly benefit a fat loss diet thanks to their impressive nutritional profiles. Kale is a leafy green that is exceptionally high in fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes feelings of fullness, making it easier to manage calorie intake. Additionally, kale is packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamins A, C, and K, as well as antioxidants that support overall health. Incorporating kale into your meals can provide a nutrient-dense boost while helping you stay satisfied. On the other hand, mushrooms are a fantastic low-calorie option that can enhance the flavor and texture of various dishes without adding significant calories. They are rich in B vitamins, selenium, and other nutrients, making them a healthy addition to any meal. Their umami flavor can elevate soups, stir-fries, and salads, providing depth and satisfaction. To incorporate these foods into your daily meals, consider adding kale to smoothies for a nutrient boost, tossing it into salads, or sautéing it as a side dish. Mushrooms can be used in omelets, blended into sauces, or added to grain bowls for extra flavor. By including kale and mushrooms in your diet, you can enjoy delicious meals while supporting your fat loss goals effectively. If you're feeling extra generous and want to support our channel, consider sending a super thanks by clicking on the button right below this video with the 3 dots. It looks like a heart within a dollar sign. By clicking on it, you can choose to make a small contribution to our channel. Your contribution helps us to keep bringing you valuable content and fuels our passion for creating. We're grateful for your support and can't wait to see your super thanks messages. In this video, we explored the significance of incorporating low-calorie, filling foods into your diet to support your health and weight management goals. We discussed various options, including nutrient-dense vegetables like kale and mushrooms, as well as versatile substitutes like zucchini and cauliflower. These foods not only provide essential vitamins and minerals, but also help promote satiety, making it easier to control calorie intake without feeling deprived. Additionally, we highlighted the benefits of snacks like popcorn, salsa, and hot sauce, which can enhance meals while keeping calories in check. As you embark on your journey toward healthier eating, remember that making small, mindful changes can lead to significant results over time. If you found this information helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more content focused on healthy eating and nutrition tips. Your engagement is important to us, and we would love to hear from you. Please share your experiences with these low-calorie foods in the comments below. Let us know how you incorporate them into your meals or any favorite recipes you have. Together, we can create a supportive community dedicated to making healthier choices and enjoying delicious, satisfying meals. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to connecting with you.